In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your account password efficiently and securely. Keeping your password strong and regularly updated is essential in today's digital world to protect your personal information from unauthorized access. Whether it's to enhance security or simply because you fancy a change, this straightforward process will guide you through each step with ease. First, let's begin by logging into your account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the website where your account is held. If you're not already logged in, enter your current credentials on the login page. Before proceeding, ensure that you're logging in on a secure network, especially if you're dealing with sensitive information. Look for a padlock symbol in your browser's address bar, which indicates a secure connection. Once you're logged in, the next step is to head over to your account settings. On most websites, you'll find this option in the top right corner of the home page, often represented by your profile picture or initials or labeled as a settings icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu or a navigation bar may appear. Choose the option that refers to account settings or settings in general. Now within the account settings, look for the section called personal information. This area typically holds various options related to your personal data, security settings, and other preferences linked to your account's use. Click on Personal Information to proceed to the next page. In this area, you'll see the Change Password option. It's usually quite prominent, designed to be easily found as it's a frequently accessed feature. Click on Change Password to begin the process of updating your security details. As you continue, you'll be prompted to enter your current password. This step is vital to verify your identity and ensure that it's really you making the changes. Enter your present password carefully to avoid any input errors. Once that's done, the next step is to choose and enter a new password. When creating a new password, aim for a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This complexity is essential for strengthening your password and thwarting potential breaches. Remember, a strong password is typically at least 8 characters long or more. Enter this new password and then re-enter it for confirmation. Double-check both entries to avoid typographical errors that could lock you out of your account. After entering your current and new passwords, look for the Save Changes button, often located at the bottom of the page. Click it to complete the password change process. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your password has been updated successfully, and there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively enhanced your account security. Keep your password safe and consider updating it at regular intervals to maintain robust protection. Thanks for watching, and if you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.